Imagine coupling the freedom of RV life with the charm of scenic train journeys. Explore the breathtaking landscapes of the Rocky Mountains aboard the Durango and Silverton narrow-gauge railroad, where steam engines chug through pristine wilderness. Next, hop on the Grand Canyon Railway for a stunning view of one of the seven natural wonders of the world. Don't miss the Napa Valley Wine Train for a gourmet experience amidst vineyards. These railroads offer a unique perspective, showcasing nature's beauty while providing a relaxing ride. Experience nostalgia and adventure, making memories as you blend RV camping with these unforgettable train journeys.